First, we should say that we're here at Jeffrey Seitz Violin Maker in St. Louis, Missouri, and just finished up this violin last week. Finished making it, and now we have Ron Vince playing the violin for you, a wonderful violin player. And this was actually made on commission for a very distinguished gentleman up near Lansing, Michigan, by the name of Bob. And he will soon receive ownership of this. Actually, he owns it already, but he will soon have it in his hands. And it's made from the traditional curly maple back and sides and neck, spruce on the top. It's my own design. All the instruments I've ever made have always been of my own design. And we're quite pleased with it. It's actually sounding great. And we're just doing little adjustments to it and getting it ready for delivery.